Oh, look! I've got another one in this set somewhere. I wonder where I put it.
In the toy box?
No.
The basket?
That's funny.
Where did you last have it?
Dunno, really.
Oh, I expect you put it somewhere where it couldn't get lost. Aha! This is the sort of place. Oh. I found it! Oh!
Thanks. Hey! I never thought I'd see this again. It's been missing for ages.
What's it for?
Wait and see. Come on. No. 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 It's here somewhere.
What is?
My box of old toys.
Oh. Is that it?
No, it's much bigger. It's more this size. There it is.
Is that what the key's for?
No, but it's a brilliant toy. Look.
Make it go again. What's that?
You can make it move about.
Does it need the key?
No, you just press here. I'd forgotten this.
What does that do then?
Ready?
Can I have a go?
Yeah, of course.
Where's the button?
On the front.
Oh yes, right. 1, 2, 3.
Found it!
Help!
What's the matter? Where are you?
Up here!
Oh, what are you doing up there?
I'm waiting for you to help me down!
Come on. There you go.
What is that?
My clockwork mouse. It's what the key's for.
What's the point of it? Doesn't do anything, not like a real mouse.
You wait.
What's the point of rushing across a room and smashing your nose against the wall?
I know. It used to do jumps.
Bet I can jump higher.
Not like that. Come on, I'll show you. Ready? 3, 2, 1, whee! Yes! Let's make it bigger.
Bet I'm faster.
Go on then, race it.
Okay.
Ready, steady, go! The winner!
I bet he can't do tricks like me. Watch this. Ta-da!
Of course it can't. It's only a toy. Oh no. I hope it's not broken. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It isn't broken.
Silly thing. You're not a mouse. I'm a mouse.
Ooh. Oh, that's funny. Where's your key? Not in there. Where did I put it? You're no good without a key, are you? Maybe I left it downstairs somewhere.
You're no good without this, are you? I don't need one of these to make me go. Whoa! Faster, faster! Yay! Whoa! Help!
Is that you, Mouse?
Did you see what I was doing? Come on, I'll show you. Wind it up for me.
Where's the key? There you are.
Come on, Kipper. Hurry up.
Stay on top of your finances with the QuickBooks mobile app. View your money from anywhere and get deeper insights.